He said he might go to bed early, so I said.
Show me, Hunter.
No, we're asking if he wants to go with you, Sean. And then if he says no, he might say no, but
yeah, that's tell him to say Shannon's serious about if you want to go. Tell him I pick him up at 5 to 9. Slow, take your time, Hunter, slow. That's it. I'll get your toothbrush ready.
Oh, they're all ready to go, Sean.
Oh, Mommy's almost as good as a man, isn't she?
What?
Getting the toothbrushes already.
No.
Here.
No, me. You learned your race, didn't we? I do. I got super bad t-shirt. Yeah. I'm going to play it.
Good job. Are you all done, Hunter? Do you want to brush your teeth? Do you want to brush your teeth?
No.
You don't want to brush them?
I'm done.
Mila wants to brush hers. You don't want to brush your teeth, Mila? Okay, Hunter, come on, teeth. Mila, wee-wees.
No.
Yes.
I don't have any.
Well, we're going to check. Like we do every night, no matter what. Whether you have them or not, we check and give it an opportunity.